What is your no contact partner thinking of you right now? Welcome to this reading, guys. Whenever you're watching this video, this is a timeless message also. So at this particular time, what your partner is thinking of you. So sometimes there is an urge that you are feeling that your no contact partner is thinking of you, but and then you start watching some kind of tarot videos. So this is that particular reading. If you have a strong intuition about this, that your no contact partner is probably thinking of you, something like that. So yeah, this particular reading is that reading. Okay, let's see. So guys, I have a high priestess card for you right now. Okay, so before you actually start listening to the reading, I want to give you this 2-3 things before you watch the reading. Any of you could be a male or a female, the reading is for you. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you can receive my videos as soon as I post them. And the second thing is, guys, that I do not reply to your comments. Okay, so beware of the fraudulent comments. And I want to tell you to if you want to book with me, there is only one way. You can book it with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. This is It's Shreya Khanna channel on YouTube and on Instagram also. So you can do a DM to me also on Instagram. Okay, so what is your no contact partner thinking of you? We have King of Pentacles, we have the Emperor, and we have the Devil card. Okay, guys, first of all, they think that you know a lot. You have this intuition about your person. They now feel, right now they have this third party. They have a third party that they're thinking of right now, and this third party is definitely coming to me as money, as as they want to come to you as soon as possible. This is what the feeling is, but then there is some kind of ego. There is an ego that this person is feeling right now inside of them, that they are they are not the right person for you. Something is telling to this person that you should they I mean they should be in ego, right? So your no contact partner, what they are feeling right now is that they are sitting in their ego, right? They have a solid ego right now. That's what they are feeling. And I told you they want to come to you very soon, because see, I have this very strong feeling about you, and your person is thinking of you, that intuition wise you know a lot, that this person is thinking of you right now. Okay, so whenever you have this feeling, and also they feel that you have become this person who is who is thinking of getting into a relationship with someone else. So now your no contact person thinks that you are looking for someone else who is more stable, who has and they are also feeling that other people want to come to you. They are feeling that you are creative, you're confident, you have become this person. You But then they have this third party relationship. I think they are also thinking about money in their own life. What they're feeling towards you is more like they are in their ego, right? They have this strong feeling about you, that you know something. Okay, what else? The Star card. They think that you have given a lot to this relationship. Excuse me, guys. They think that you have given a lot to this relationship. You have given a lot of love, you have given a lot of surrender to this relationship also, to divine, and to this relationship also. They also feel that you have tamed the beast in them. They feel that you have tamed the beast in your relationship, in your no contact person, right? What they're feeling is they are not feeling to go towards anyone right now. Whenever they feel that they want to go towards someone, this is the ego that comes to their mind, right? So yes, they are thinking of going to a relationship right now apart from you also, because you are not feeding to their demon right now. You're not feeding to their ego anymore. This person understands, if they have to come to you, they have, yeah, see, the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles is here. I definitely feel that you have a strong king energy, whether you're a woman or you're a guy. I don't know that, but your person feels like they can actually come to you. But this is more like, you have built a house, right? And now this person is feeling that how will they come to you when you're already more growing than ever. I don't know, I just feel that a lot of people have started to take your suggestions now. I mean, a lot of people, this is your person, where this person is stuck, that they are feeling that a lot of people are coming to you, right? So how would they come? How would they show that they also have something in their heart, but it is lesser than you, right? So I feel that you have earned that leader respect in your relationship. Your person feels like you are the leader in this relationship also. So I feel that, see, there is a celebration coming. 1 2 3 4 is coming a lot, not one but 2 3 4 is coming, right? So you are growing a lot stabler in your energy. You are growing, you are having celebrations in your life lately. I don't know why your person feels this very strongly, that you're happy in your family, in your friends, and you are actually working for money. Let me show you. When these two cards come up together, it's more like a stable person. It's more like a stable person. Both of these cards are your person's current feeling about you, that you have become more confident and stable person. You are actually happy where you are. And with this, I have this 8 number coming up for you, with the star card also number 8 with this, which is 17, and 17 is also 1 8. Sorry, 17 is also 8, and this is also 8, right? So your person has this feeling that you are the one that they want to be with, right? But then they also have this feeling that, is it just to show off? Your person feels that if you are the devil, if you are the one who is not right, because now I see you as a high priestess, right? I see you as the star. I see you as the strength card, right? These, when these three cards show up for a person, especially when I'm reading for the person who is listening to this video, right? And if these three cards have shown up for you, it means that you are a true child of God. You have had a major transformation in your life. Okay, I see the Chariot card also. So you've gone through, very, very strong times, and that's where you have um, developed this awesomeness in your life, that you want to keep going on. And where I see you all in robes, white robes. I see you in white robes here, where I can just see that you're all covered up. You are covered up, okay? And your person is, where he or she, your no contact person, is thinking of you, that you have changed so much. whatever, maybe this is all you had in your head before you met your person, before they treated you the way they treated you, okay? But right now I just have this feeling that this person knows that you have changed your life around, you have completely changed your life around. Maybe this is just to show off, maybe you are dating other people right now, and this is where your person is checking your vibe, okay? I see the cross on your heart, I see this infinite sign, infinite crowns on your heart, on your head, right? So I feel that you kind of already upping your game, you are already um moving so good in your life. Maybe you're getting good advice from some kind of tarot card readings, or you may have got a personal reading for yourself, I don't know. But you have good support system when we tell you that you are a divine child, okay? Something like that. There is a chariot card again, because I just told you that I see you as a person. See, there is a king of wands card also. Your person feels that you have taken a back. This came in reverse, but I'm gonna take this like this, okay? Your person feels like you have taken back your energy, okay? You have said no to their energy also. So spiritually you might have said no to them, okay? There is some kind of um offer that your person is thinking to give to you, okay? And it is going to be more like talking about where they messed up, where exactly they messed up. But they are not going to come straight, because see, this person understands now what it is to be with you, okay? And I'm not making it up, it's because I see the cards. I see that there is a Queen of Pentacles card and there is the Devil card also. Your person has this kind of difficulty going on that they can't understand how this came up in their life, right? As soon as you left, as soon as, so in the initially they couldn't say this, that you're going or you're left, okay? But now, as of now, they are very humbled in their energy towards you. I know this doesn't feel right to you right now, but this is what it is. Your their energy speaks a lot about you right now. They know that you are growing. They know that you know a lot. They know that you have your spiritual um team, maybe, okay? The angels, the divine energies. You are surrounded with the positivity, you are surrounded with divine light, okay? And this is where they are scared of you. This is where they see you doing great in material world also, not just spiritually, but in material world also. So you, my friend, you are a great package. And I can see that there is a Lovers card, and now this person is feeling that you are their soulmate, you are their true partner. And these are the two cards that makes this person come back to you again and again. This is why they can't move towards anyone else. This was your feeling in the past. You had you had this past where you could not go to anyone, right? Now they can't go to anyone. They have this feeling towards you, but then there is something that they are scared of you, because you, my friend, I see a high priestess for you. So this is in the background, that you have seen your shadows, you have seen your good side and your bad side, and you have worked on it. This is why this person is feeling a little bit, that you could be, a controlling person, you could be this or that. But this person knows internally, their soul knows that you're right, you're a good person, okay? You have given all your heart, and I can say this by this star card. you had your hopes up. You had your hopes up, and I can see that, right? So you have grown from all these things. You've grown from um, all these vibrations, lower vibrations. And there is the Empress card also, where I see, let me show you this, okay? Where I see the Emperor, there is the Empress card also. They are finding you their person. They are finding you their person. And no matter how many times they tell themselves that you're wrong person, that the cycle is over, the relationship is over, deep down inside they feel like coming to you. Okay, let me show you this. There is the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles card. There is the Emperor and the Empress card. And this reading came up, and there is the Lovers card and the Two of Cups card, right? So this is what they're feeling about you right now. And see, I told you there is this cycle ending card with this person, and with this 15 number, these two numbers I just saw, 15 and 21 on the numbers right now, okay? And these two came together again, right? So this person has a very strong attraction, very strong, can't compete attention towards you, right? They are like completely thinking of you and you only, okay? Let me see where this reading is going. What are the divine blessings for you? Divine, please bless this reading and tell us what my viewers can expect now, okay? What you can expect in this reading, what you can expect from this person, okay? What you can expect from this person. There is Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Cups, the Moon in the reverse, and the Temperance card. What you can expect in this relationship is that the within feeling of you, deep down inside of you, you want to, tell them that how they made you feel, right? How they made you feel, but you're not gonna take any action. You're not gonna message them, okay? There is the angels who are telling you that this situation is gonna be together. You're gonna end up together, okay? We have a confirmation here again, okay? Now there is the Temperance card, which landed on the Lovers card, okay? You both are gonna understand each other. So let me tell you from all of this what you can expect, okay? From this situation where you can't, now it is okay for you, but this person cannot talk to anyone right now. And I can see in these two cards, your person is gonna, is gonna see how you have transformed, how you're gonna transform. This is a Nine of Pentacles card, where divine is taking you on a next level in your life, okay? So you are on the next level. You're always finding something, okay? So your person is gonna come to you. Your person is gonna propose to you. Your person is gonna offer you that they want to be with you, okay? Not in the very initial phases you're gonna be together and everything will be, very nice. No, they're gonna offer you that they want to at least be able to talk to you, okay? They will come to you with a very, very smooth offer, with a very simple thing that that let's talk, let's be friends, let's go out, meet, okay? This is what they are gonna do. And they're not gonna say in the very initially that they want to be with you. Once they understand that you're talking to them and everything is, fine, the fear is gonna be removed from you. There is something telling me that there is this aggression within you, that they have not spoken to you for a very long time, right? But you have not taken an action on that. Now everything will fall into the place in this relationship. So divine is blessing this relationship and saying that, all of the things that you've learned, and right now wherever you are at in your mind, keep going on with that. Okay, you have learned a lot. Okay, even if you feel that they should not come to you now, whatever you feel right now, because I feel that you don't want them anymore, because this person has wasted a lot of your time. But I see that you're the ideal match for this person, and this person is the ideal match for you. Okay, the fear is gonna be removed. I can see that there is something telling me that they're gonna let go of any third person, if they're married, if they're into a relationship, anything like that. Or maybe it's their family members who they can't tell or communicate with, because that's where I feel they are not able to communicate with their family at all. Okay, there is some kind of work situation with this person. Is kind of, they have money, but also there is some kind of work situation that is not helping them right now. Okay, they have money, but work is not great right now. Okay, yeah, so angels are telling you that be good, be kind, be humble, no matter what the situation is. Okay, take the decision as you want to, but this person and you are going to be together, and I can see a lot of cards for that. Okay, final showing of the cards. Okay, the Lovers card, Two of Cups card, Temperance card, all of this says that you're going to be together. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, you're going to be together, ideal matches. Okay, and then we have the Empress and the Emperor, you're going to be together. Okay, so that was your reading. I just hope that you got some kind of insights with this reading. And if you want to be booking with me, book it with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram also. I love you guys, and I hope everything goes great for you. And wherever you're doing, whatever you're doing, do great, be happy. A lot of love. Bye bye.